couple I want to introduce you to tonight, Alisha and Austin Shepperd. They are a power couple. They have been only in this crypto space for 10 short months. And they are both veterans of our armed forces. And they have 4 kids. And they are currently #1 on our leaderboard here in that leader league that Eric showed y'all about. And I'm going to turn it over to them, and they're going to tell you a little bit about their success and what kind of momentum they have brought to our Twin Turbo this week.
Hey, thanks for having us. So first off, I'm going to dive back a little bit just to tell you a little bit about us. So first off, we've kind of lived a life of struggle. We've been together since we were in the Army back when I was 18 years old, but we've lived a life of struggle. We've always been scraping by paycheck to paycheck, standing in line at food banks, and needing assistance at Christmas, you name it, always, calling family for help with their electric bill or whatever the case was. That was our life. We've been through everything from foreclosures, repossessions, drug addiction, even divorce. We're actually currently divorced, now re-engaged. So we got our lives back. Everything's amazing. We fixed everything. But in that, the pandemic knocked me out of work. And I was forced in an instant, what am I going to do? Even then, I was only making $2,000 a month working at Lowe's. I'm just a regular girl working at Lowe's, making no money. My rent alone was $1,600 a month, and what was I going to do? So I was struggling, then lost my job, and then I was like, really, now what am I going to do? So my friend called me. I remember telling me about crypto, and I thought he was crazy. I was like, why would I want to get into crypto? This crazy person, I don't know anything about this. So anyways, things started clicking, and he let me know he had made a bunch of money, and I was like, okay, I'll do anything. So I got into the crypto space, started learning as much as I could, and I was scared. So if you're here and you're scared, just know that if you're not scared, I think you're weird, because we all get into this scared. We don't know what we're doing. It's a foreign language. We're like, what does that mean? What? The blockchain, the this, the that, I don't get any of it, but think of it like a new job and job shadowing. And that's what I tell my people, is this a new job, you're job shadowing. You're going to have a mentor with you. They're going to be helping you. They're going to be grabbing your hand, lean on them. Like we always do 3-way chats and things like that. Lean on your mentors. Let us help you. But with that being said, had a lot of success. I also recently was not very smart and got into some centralized crypto platforms. I can tell you, stay away from those. If they tell you you're going to make money, if you put the money in here and you do not have to recruit, and you're going to make this money and you're going to come back in 14 days and have this money, or you're going to have a percentage on your money and you don't have to do any recruiting, chances are your money's going to be gone. It's going to be gone. We lost a bunch. So with that being said, I wasn't even looking for something new. I was just all of a sudden smashed face in the ground again. Like, what am I going to do? I just lost a bunch. This came across and I was like, I started looking at it. Then I watched another webinar and I'm like, okay. Yeah, this has a bunch of new things in it. Like there's some when I'm talking to people, I'm like, we have the crypto trading bot. We got the passive income for the first 10,000 members that get into that $1,000 level. We got all these different added benefits. Like I'm pumped as heck. Like I'm voice clipping, walking back and forth through my house. Like, when I'm excited about something, because I can't stop talking. Sorry, I'm talking too fast. Let me slow down a little bit. But I get excited. But point being, so 3 days ago, we started pushing in this. We both came in at the $1,900 level, $1,000 level, which is like $1,900 total worth of Tron. We've just passed the $20,000 mark. So 3 days in, we've made $20,000. Like, talk about a come up. Yes, we might have been slammed down a bit, but talk about a come up. We just came in and we just started going. And I know this is only the beginning. Like, this is not even this is 3 days in. Come on, I'll be on the next call making 100,000. Just watch out. I know income disclaimer, all this. Just trust me, I put that on my post. But what I'm saying is that anybody can do this. Like I said, we're Army veterans. We've been through everything. It's just a matter if you want to do it. So we team up. I find the people, I get them in 3-way chats. He's sending the videos. He's helping them get on while I'm talking to the next person. And it's very much a power couple teamwork kind of thing, but it's working really well for us. And I absolutely love it. I still can't believe we're #1 on the leaderboard. That's amazing. I've never done that. Regular girl here, I've never been #1 on anything. So super exciting. He just hit the Mach 1 cycle tier. So we got our first cycle tier and they come instantly. The payments, instantly, you're paid. So super excited. I'm super happy to be here. I don't know if you want to say anything.
You can tell she's a lot to keep up with. I just try to keep the messages going as quick as she gives them to me. So, but definitely loving this platform. Absolutely. And onwards and upwards.